Would you look at this angle? Bless me. I don't care. That wasn't a mistake. Honestly, that was just a creative accident. What the heck is up, people? It's me, Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be an epic video today. We're doing some crafty projects. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Martha Stewart is quaking.
And you might be wondering, Taylor, what is that large discolored spot on your shirt? I spilled mustard on my shirt, so I had to rinse it off, and it's all wet, and I didn't want to take off my hoodie, so I'm just wearing it while it's wet. But the mustard came off, so it's like super exciting. So today what we're doing, oh my god, I literally just ate so many M&Ms. All right, so today we're gonna be doing a DIY aesthetic vibes project that I have been wanting to do for so long, and I always see it on Pinterest, and I'm like,
I want to do that.
So basically, I bought these jeans a while ago. We're gonna be DIYing some jeans, sis. You're gonna have the coolest, most uniquest, most bestest jeans in, well, we're all in quarantine, so you really can't go anywhere. On IG, I'm definitely gonna post this pic of these jeans on IG. Well, hopefully they turn out good, but I have a, like, I know I can do this. Like, I'm very confident in my abilities. You can make these, take some bomb pics for your IG. I don't know about you girlies, but I have been really trying to amp up my IG game. I'm getting, you know, like a nice vibey aesthetic going on, okay? And these jeans are absolutely perfect for the vibes. So right now I'm using this pair of jeans that I got from Walmart.
Walmart check.
They are men's jeans. They're about $10. They don't really fit that good because they're men's jeans, but basically
That's what they look like.
they're, you know, a nice straight leg baggy fit vibe. Okay, you can do whatever color you want. I'm gonna do white flames because that's the aesthetic of my IG currently. So
These are basically all for my IG aesthetic.
follow my IG if you want to see the pics. So I don't have fabric paint
Duh.
because I'm an idiot, but I do have acrylic paint and soft gloss acrylic paint. This one's multi-surface. This one doesn't say multi-surface, so I think I'm gonna use a multi-surface one. I don't know if jeans is a surface that is included in that. Actually, you know what I did? I got a tripod for my iPhone, so I'm gonna get you a nice, good, juicy angle on me painting my jeans, okay? I'm really just gonna freehand it. Just let the art just flow through my veins and just let it express onto my jeans, and I feel like it's gonna go over really well. I do have an inspo pic of like what shape I want the flames to be. Yeah, let's just get crack-lacking with this and let's get right into the crafty vibes. Would you look at this angle? I mean, it's absolutely incredible. This is the photo that I'm looking at for reference on how I'm gonna draw my flames. Here are the jeans, ratata, and here's the paint, ratata. And I have a paintbrush. I have this one, which is like a little bit bigger, and then this one, she's a little bit slimmer. You see? Okay, obviously they see. I'm nervy. Oh my god, this paint is thicker than a Snicker. Bless me. We need this to be lined up at the seams right. I'm just gonna start going for it. Oh my god. I'm just gonna fast motion it. So yeah, just enjoy the vibes.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been so long for niggas so cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl.
That looks actually iconic.
You got it, girl. You got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Flew the coupe at 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin'
Low-key kind of snapped with these. Actually, they kind of look like cow udders. Well, maybe that's just, okay, no. Okay, they just look like cow udders because they're upside down. But they don't look like cow udders like this. But yeah, now I'm gonna do the other leg. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know if I should make them like the same. Yeah, I should make them the same. Yeah, pants are usually the same on both. Okay, all right. Haha, I'll catch you guys when I'm done with these, and then we're gonna take an IG photo shoot for the gram.
Do for the ground.
Okay, so low-key this side came out even better. Ooh. All right, now, oh, I have to let it dry. So fortunate. Okay, well, I'll come back to you guys once it dries, and then
A few moments later.
oh, is that paint on my... You guys, you will not believe what I did. I painted the wrong side Okay, honestly, like, it's really not that big of a deal. Like, we can just do flames on all sides of it. Honestly, that would be even doper if I did flames all around. I don't care. That wasn't a mistake. Honestly, that was just a creative accident. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna have to paint the other side once it dries, and then let that side. So this is really just, I might have to do the Instagram photo shoot tomorrow because it's already 6 p.m. and the light's gonna go down. The sun goes down. Are you ready to party? Does anyone know that song? Summer Nights by Lil Rob. 2005? Does anyone else know the song? It's like, I feel good, I feel alright. Cruising through my neighborhood on a warm summer night. No? Is it just me that knows that song? Okay. Anyways, alright. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow when I do. IG pics. Okay.
So basically, I didn't really film me taking IG pics because what was there to film? You know, I just have the pics. So anyways, I'm going to insert the pics that I posted. They're on my IG if you want to look at my IG for a vibe. But anyways, yeah. That concludes the video. They turned out goodish, I guess. I don't know. I got an IG pic out of it. It was all worth it, you know. So anyways, I'll catch you guys in my next vid. Okay, thanks for watching. All right. Bye.